Hey guys, I just wanted to share some important things for you, the HomePod versus the Sonos Move 2, and I'm going to share with you some important things that I found that can be beneficial when you're deciding which one to buy. So the most important thing is that if you're thinking like even when you would buy like the Era 300 or the HomePod, they have the spatial audio. This is something that Sonos Move doesn't have. So this is like also first important thing. Now, when we are going to look here, I just will like have some important things here. So the voice control is with Amazon Alexa, Sonos voice control for the Sonos Move. So for the HomePod, you have only Siri. Then also you have line in, and now you have audio technology which is different for both. So you have the 3-class digital amplifiers, advanced compositional audio. Then tweeters is 2 angle tweeters, 5 horn loaded tweeters, woofers is 1 mid woofer, and here you're gonna have 4-inch high excursion woofer, and microphone, far field microphone array, and 4 microphone design. You have EQ for the Move 2, but you don't have it for the HomePod based on the data, but maybe like you can do it also. And then automatic true play is on both. So just want to make this really quick comparison. I hope it was at least a little bit of helpful based on the info that I gathered. Now what I recommend to do is that if you have the Apple ecosystem at your home, maybe the HomePod is going to be more beneficial comparing to the Sonos. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.